So I think the role cryptocurrency should have in the future of the monetary system is no role at all, especially the way they are right at the moment. They're not a currency, they're an asset class, and they're very speculative, and a lot of people involved in crypto prey on very vulnerable sections of society, which I think is criminal. However, if you want to talk about blockchain and tokenization of assets and digital currencies moving forward and how that can work together with centralized systems and decentralized systems, that has a long future going forward. So looking at chains, looking at permissionless systems, looking at tokenization, that has a long future. But in terms of cryptocurrencies, I don't want it anywhere near any stable, sober monetary system.